Hello guys. So in the previous lecture we have studied about the isomerism in alkenes. In that we have seen the geometrical isomers, right, and structural isomers of alkenes. Okay. Now in this lecture we are starting now the methods of preparation of alkenes. Now which are the methods of preparation of alkenes and how these alkenes are prepared by different process that we are going to study in this lecture. Okay. So we'll see first the industrial source. Okay, from the industrial source also, or you can see on the industrial level how these alkenes are prepared. Okay, so what is the industrial source? Petroleum products are the industrial source for the alkenes. Okay, so we'll see first the industrial sources for the formation of alkenes. Right now, preparation of alkenes. Preparation of alkenes. Preparation of alkenes. First is what? Industrial source. So first three alkenes, dear friends, first three alkenes, that is ethene, propene, 1,3 butadiene. You can say these three alkenes are actually very important as far as the industrial scales are concerned. Okay, because in the industries these three reactants are very important: ethene, propene and 1,3 butadiene. You know the structures of them: ethene, CH2 double bond CH2, this is ethene; propene, CH3 CH double bond CH2, it is propene, right? And butadiene, CH2 double bond CH double bond CH2, 1,3 butadiene. 1 2 3 4. Okay, so 1 and 3 position. At the first and third position there is a double bond. So these three alkenes, they are very important and they can be obtained from the petroleum products. Okay, so these three alkenes, ethene, propene and butadiene, these alkenes, okay, are very important chemicals as far as the industries are concerned. Okay, so these are the three alkenes. You must know that they are industrially important. Now you see the alkenes up to 4 carbon atoms. Now these are the first two alkenes. This is a diene actually. Okay, so first 4 alkenes up to 4 carbon atoms: ethene, propene, then butene. Okay, up to 4 carbon atoms. The alkenes which are up to 4 carbon atoms, usme ethene, it is the first alkene. You know that because it contains 2 carbon atoms and 1 carbon atom alkene is not possible, right? Because there should be a carbon-carbon double bond, and for one double bond you need 2 carbon atoms. So ethene is the first alkene we have. After that, second alkene is propene and then butene. So the alkenes up to 4 carbon atoms, they can be obtained from the petroleum products. This is the industrial source. Okay, so what is the industrial source for the alkenes? Write down this point. Alkenes containing up to 4 carbon atoms can be obtained. Write down alkenes up to 4 carbon atoms. Write down this point, is very important. Industrial source is very important, this point. From industrial, at the industrial level. Now these alkenes up to 4 carbon atoms, alkenes up to 4 carbon atoms are obtained in pure form, from petroleum products. Petroleum products. Note on this point, is very important. Alkenes up to 4 carbon atoms, they are obtained in the pure form from the petroleum products. Okay, and we know that ethene is obtained from the natural gas. Okay, ethene is obtained from the natural gas by the process of cracking. Okay, so note down that point also. Write down, ethene is obtained or produced from the natural gas. Write down, ethene is obtained or prepared. Ethene is obtained by cracking from crude oil and natural gas, you can say here. Okay, and natural gas. So you can obtain ethene from natural gas as well as crude oil by which process? By cracking process. Okay, so remember this point. So these are the industrial source. Petroleum products, these are the industrial compounds. Then crude oil, natural gas. From these products, that is industrial, actually they belong to industrial origin. From them you can prepare alkenes. Okay, alkenes up to 4 carbon atoms, they are obtained from petroleum in pure form from petroleum products, and first 3 alkenes. Okay, ethene, propene and butene, because they contain up to 4 carbon atoms, right? These are the alkenes having up to 4 carbon atoms. Then ethene is obtained from which industrial source? It is obtained from crude oil and natural gas by cracking. अगर इनकी क्रैकिंग आपने डन की, क्रूड ऑयल का अगर आपने क्रैकिंग किया या नेचुरल गैस की अगर क्रैकिंग की, तो आपको क्या मिलेगा? इथीन. ओके, so these are the industrial source from which we can obtain alkene. Okay, note down these points. After that we will see the lab method for the preparation of what? Alkene, or artificial methods, synthetic methods for the preparation of alkenes. Note down these points. Okay, next write down methods of preparation of alkenes. Synthetic methods of preparation of alkenes now. Okay, methods of preparation of alkenes. Write down, this is the industrial source from which we can obtain alkene. Now we'll see, write down methods of preparation. Next point, very important. अब ये आपको ये जो क्वेश्चन है ये आपको 12th में पूछेंगे, ठीक है? आपको ये क्वेश्चन जो है, आप मेथड्स ऑफ प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अल्कीन, ये आपको 12th में भी बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, ये रिएक्शन बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, ठीक है? तो अब हम ये डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं, बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट और बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग पॉइंट हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं दोस्तों. ओके, सो राइट डाउन फर्स्ट इन द मेथड्स ऑफ प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अल्कीन्स, राइट डाउन हेडिंग मेथड्स ऑफ प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अल्कीन्स, मेथड्स ऑफ प्रिपरेशन ऑफ अल्कीन्स. ओके, methods of preparation of alkenes. In that, write down methods of preparation of alkenes. First method of preparation, and that is elimination reactions. Okay, this is one of the type of reaction. Now which is the type? Elimination reactions. Okay, now which are these elimination reactions, that we will see. What are the elimination reactions? Okay, very interesting reactions they are actually. So we'll see what are elimination reactions and we'll see the examples of it. Okay, specifically alkenes are produced by 1,2 elimination. 1,2 elimination. Okay, so write down heading elimination reactions. Elimination reactions are 1,2 elimination. Okay, now see, suppose I have this type of reactant. Okay, now if this X and Y they are removed from adjacent carbon atom, what will obtain here? C double bond C, that is alkene. Now see here, this is 1,2 elimination. It is called 1,2 elimination, adjacent carbon atoms. Okay, now the reaction in which, what is elimination reaction? What is the definition of elimination reaction? See here, See the reaction very clearly. You will observe this, that the reactions in which atoms or groups are eliminated or removed from adjacent carbon atoms, it is called elimination reaction. The reaction in which atoms or groups are eliminated or removed from adjacent carbon atoms, those reactions are called elimination reactions. Okay, so this is the general reaction you are looking at. This is the general reaction. Okay, it is called 1,2 elimination. 1,2 elimination. Okay, and in this case what is removed? XY. Okay, XY is removed from adjacent carbon atom and the product obtained is what? Alkene. Okay, अब यहाँ पे देखो ये जो कार्बन है सिंगली बॉन्डेड है दोस्तों, ये भी कार्बन जो है वो है सिंगली बॉन्डेड. Now this carbon is attached to singly to any other atom or group. This carbon is also surrounded by single carbon atom, so it is, we can say, sp3 hybridized. Remember, whenever the carbon is singly bonded, it is called sp3 hybridized. तो ये कौन से टाइप है हम केमिकल बॉन्डिंग यूनिट में देखेंगे. We'll see in the chemical bonding. sp3 hybridized, sp2 hybridized. Now this is sp2 hybridized. Okay, because these two carbon atoms, they are doubly bonded. sp2 hybridized. Okay, remember, sp2 hybridized, they are sp3 hybridized. So note down first the general reaction, then we will move to the specific examples of elimination reaction. Now which elimination reactions they are in your syllabus for preparation of alkenes. Okay, so we will see dehalogenation, dehydrohalogenation, dehydration. These are very, very important and very interesting reactions, friends. Okay, so write down general reaction, and on this theme, basic theme, we will do the reactions. Okay, so write down this first. ओके, सो एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन में हम देखेंगे आप टाइप. राइट डाउन टाइप्स. राइट डाउन टाइप्स. फर्स्ट टाइप we are looking at now in the elimination reaction. We are looking the type of elimination reaction. First elimination reaction, write down dehalogenation reaction. Write down first dehalogenation reaction. Dehalogenation reaction. Okay, dehalogenation reaction. I am writing here general reaction. Suppose I have this type of reactant. यहाँ पे कुछ भी हो सकता है. यहाँ पे मैं लिख रहा हूँ X. This is halogen. Okay, X means here halogen, chlorine, bromine, iodine. And if it is heated with zinc metal, now what is obtained here? See, write down the reaction here. These two X, they are removed, two halogens you can say, and they go up with the zinc. They go with the zinc, and there is a formation of, now see, these two bonds I am showing, and carbon get doubly bonded. When these two halogens they are removed, there is a formation of double bond, and ZnX2 is the side product. ZnX2 is the side product, and there should be a double bond between the carbons. So it is what? Alkene. Okay, and here X is, remember, halogens. Okay, so here you can take halogen different, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Okay, now this type of halides, dihalides, because it contains two halogens in the compound, right? So it is a dihalide. Now which type of dihalide? Remember, it is called vicinal dihalide. Vicinal dihalide. Now which dihalides are called vicinal dihalides? The dihalides in which halogen atoms are present on adjacent carbon atom, then those dihalides are called vicinal dihalides. Okay, उन dihalides को हम vicinal dihalides कहते हैं जिनमें halogens present होते हैं adjacent carbon पे, so that we can remove them easily and there should be a formation of carbon-carbon double bond. Okay, ठीक है. The case is that vicinal dihalide is that dihalide which contains two halogens present or attached or bonded to adjacent carbon atom. Okay, so when such a vicinal dihalide is treated with zinc metal, that zinc removes these two halogen from the adjacent carbon atom and there is a formation of carbon-carbon double bond, that is alkene. Okay, so this is the first reaction that we are looking at. This is the dehalogenation reaction, the reaction in which halogen atoms are removed from the adjacent carbon atom or eliminated. That reaction is called dehalogenation reaction. D means removal, halogenation means halogen. Okay, so dehalogenation means removal of halogen atoms from adjacent carbon atom is called dehalogenation reaction. Okay, so write down this total reaction. Very interesting reaction it is. We will take the specific examples. Okay, the vicinal dihalide. Now I am taking one example. Write down. Write down first. I am taking vicinal dihalide. One example. Now we will take. This is the general reaction. Now we will take the specific examples. Okay. Now see here. I am changing only the reactant here. Examples. First, CH2Br dash CH2Br. Okay. Now here see CH2Br comma CH2 dash CH2Br. It is called 1,2 dibromoethane. Okay, 2 carbon alkane is what? Ethane, and on the first carbon there is bromine, second carbon is also bromine, so 2 bromine, so prefix di is used, dibromo, 1,2 dibromoethane, because carbon carbon single bond. Okay, अब इसका IPC एक IPC नेम हो गया. अब इसका कॉमन नेम भी आप दे सकते हो. देखो, दिस इज IPC नेम. कॉमन नेम भी आप इसको दे सकते हो. व्हाट इज द कॉमन नेम? इथाइलिन डाइब्रोमाइड. ठीक है, इसका कॉमन नेम होता है इथाइलिन डाइब्रोमाइड. तो व्हेन इट इज हीटेड विथ जिंक मेटल, जिंक abstract this or removes this bromine and these two bromine go with zinc as a zinc Br2 and there is a formation of double bond between these two carbons. So there is a formation of what? Ethene, or you can say IUPAC name is ethene and common name is ethylene. Okay, so write down this reaction. First reaction, very easy. Okay, write down this reaction. ओके, वेरी इजी. तो आपको जब भी रिएक्शन बोर्ड एग्जाम में आपको लिखनी है दोस्तों, तो आपको ये मेंशन करना होता है यहाँ पे रिएक्टेंट कौन सा लिया है, उसका नेम, ठीक है, कॉमन नेम या आईपीसी नेम, फिर उसके बाद प्रोडक्ट, उसका कॉमन नेम या आईपीसी नेम और रिएक्शन कंडीशन. ओके, और उसके नीचे आपको लिखना है इसका एक्सप्लेनेशन. व्हाट इज द एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ दिस रिएक्शन? व्हेन, वेरी इजी एक्सप्लेनेशन, यू कैन राइट योरसेल्फ. व्हेन 1,2 dibromoethane is heated with zinc metal ethene is formed. Okay. Now this reaction is called debromination reaction, you can say. Dehalogenation, यहाँ पे bromine निकल गया. Dehalogenation, it's a type of dehalogenation reaction because bromine is removed in this reaction. Okay. So this is also type of 1,2 elimination because bromine is eliminated from the reactant. So it's a elimination. And which elimination? 1,2 elimination. Okay. So this is example of 1,2 elimination or just elimination or dehalogenation. Okay. In the particularly in elimination reaction, it's an example of dehalogenation. Okay. So you can take another example also. Now after writing this, write this reaction in your notebook. Write this reaction, then its explanation. How the explanation is written? Write down. When 1,2 dibromoethane, is heated with zinc metal, ethene is formed. Okay? इतना ही आपको explanation लिखना है. ठीक है? Second reaction we are taking. Take second reaction. I am just changing the reactant here. Now see how I am changing the reactant and which product I am getting here. Now see. Now I am changing the reactant. Now see. Suppose I am taking here CH3. Okay. तो इसका नेम भी क्या होगा? 1,2 डायब्रोमोप्रोपेन. ठीक है. 1,2 dibromopropane. 3 carbon alkane is what? Propane. 1,2 dibromopropane. It's a IUPAC name. What will be the common name? 1, 2, 3. Okay. अब यहाँ पे देखो CH3 CH double bond CH2 आएगा. ये निकल जाएगा. CH3 CH double bond CH2. I'm writing here CH3 CH double bond CH3 dash CH double bond CH2. ब्रोमीन तो निकल जाएगा. ठीक है. तो इसको हम कहते हैं प्रोपीन और प्रोपिलीन. प्रोपीन इज द IUPAC नेम. प्रोपाइलीन इज कॉमन नेम. सो प्रोपाइलीन कॉमन नेम इज व्हाट? प्रोपाइलीन dibromide. Propylene dibromide. So from propylene dibromide you get propene. Okay. So this is the second example we are taking. When propylene dibromide or 1,2 dibromopropane is heated with zinc metal, propene is obtained or propene is formed. Okay. Write down this reaction. Chemical equation. So it's a chemical equation for this reaction. Dehalogenation reaction. Very easy. Okay. So it's also example of 1,2 elimination. Okay. We know that in the IUPAC system we consider a longest carbon continuous chain bearing a functional group as a parent compound. Okay. ये parent compound है और इसको हम name दे सकते हैं, numbering दे सकते हैं. अब इस पे आपको कुछ मैं क्वेश्चन दूंगा, वो आपको करने हैं. ठीक है. राइट डाउन. होमवर्क के लिए आपको ये क्वेश्चन नोट डाउन करने हैं. राइट डाउन द क्वेश्चन. कन्वर्ट द फॉलोइंग. नाउ ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस तो आप जब भी रिएक्शन ड्रॉ करो, केमिकल रिएक्शन जब भी राइट करो, उसके नीचे एक्सप्लेनेशन भी लिखो. ठीक है. व्हेन प्रोपीन, यहाँ पे जैसे लिखा हमने 1,2 dibromopropane. When 1,2 dibromopropane is heated with zinc metal, propene is obtained. एक लाइन आपको लिखनी है. और उसके पहले केमिकल इक्वेशन जब भी आप राइट करोगे तो रिएक्टेंट का नेम, प्रोडक्ट का नेम और रिएक्शन कंडीशन, ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट्स है. ठीक है. ओके. सो राइट डाउन द क्वेश्चंस फॉर होमवर्क on this part. Write down. Convert the following. First, CH2Br, CH2Br, CH2 double bond CH2, second CH3 CH2, CHBr, CH2Br, CH3 CH2, CH डबल बॉन्ड CH2। और इसमें आपको केमिकल इक्वेशन लिखते समय आपको रिएक्टेंट और प्रोडक्ट के नेम भी लिखने हैं दोस्तों, ओके। CHBr, CH2Br, CH3 CH डबल बॉन्ड CH2, ठीक है। राइट डाउन दिस क्वेश्चंस, ओके। ठीक है, तो ये क्वेश्चंस आप राइट करके लो और ये आपको कन्वर्ट करने हैं। यू कैन यूज हियर जिंक मेटल एंड यू कैन डू द कन्वर्जन, बट हियर यू हैव टू राइट द नेम ऑफ रिएक्टेंट एज वेल एज प्रोडक्ट एंड द रिएक्शन कंडीशन। हियर ओनली heat sign should be written on the arrow, okay. So in this way we have seen the dehalogenation, which is a type of elimination reaction. 1-2 elimination you can write, okay, you can say, okay, 1-2 elimination or elimination just, ठीक है। So ये फर्स्ट टाइप ऑफ रिएक्शन हो गई जिससे हम अल्कीन्स तैयार कर सकते हैं, दैट इज dehalogenation ऑफ विसिनल डायहालाइड्स, ओके। विसिनल डायहालाइड्स की भी डेफिनेशन आप लिख के रखो नोटबुक में। द डायहालाइड्स इन विच two halogens or two halogen atoms, they are present on adjacent carbon atom, they are called vicinal dihalides, okay. So vicinal dihalides का अगर हमने dehalogenation किया by using zinc metal, we get alkenes, very simple.